Welcome to the video series, Planning a Mission with the M3E and M4E drone. In this collection of videos, broken down into easy-to-follow chapters, we'll guide you step by step through the process of planning and launching automated photogrammetry missions using the DJI Pilot 2 software right from your remote controller. To get a complete understanding of the entire workflow, from defining your survey area and configuring precise mission settings to adjusting camera parameters and finally launching your flight, we encourage you to watch all of the chapters in this series. Before planning a mission, ensure you've completed a few key preliminary steps. First, power up your remote controller. Ensure both your drone and the remote controller have fully charged batteries and confirm that your drone has a compatible, formatted SD card inserted. Then, connect your RC to a reliable Wi-Fi source. This is important for map loading and accessing necessary information. On the main screen, tap Flight Route. Here, you can import routes, but let's create one from scratch. Hit the plus sign icon. Select Create a Route, then Area Route for mapping. For linear projects, check out our separate linear mission planning video. You'll see a map. Pinch, zoom, and swipe to find your survey area, or tap the target icon if your drone and Wi-Fi are connected. Now, tap the screen to drop points outlining your survey area. Create a polygon that covers the entire site. Need to tweak the shape? Tap a point, then drag to reposition. Use the trash can to delete the last point or the X to clear all. With your mission area outlined, you're now ready to configure the specific flight parameters. Head over to the next video chapter, Mission Settings, where we'll show you how to dial in everything from altitude and overlap to ensure you capture the precise data you need. Once you've defined your area, tap the checkmark to save and open mission settings. Select M3E series and the M3E wide camera if prompted. Name your mission. Choose Ortho Collection for top-down maps or Oblique if you need vertical face details. Leave GSD on default for now. It'll adjust automatically. Set altitude mode to Relative to Takeoff, ALT, and your flight altitude between 200 and 400 feet or 60 to 120 meters. Make sure to toggle elevation optimization off. Your flight needs to be at least 10 minutes for accurate data processing. Keep an eye on the estimated time and photo count. If it's too short, try reducing the speed or adjusting the course angle. Under Upon Completion, we recommend Return to Home for a safe landing. Next, into Advanced Settings. Target surface to takeoff point should be 0 unless there's a significant elevation difference on your site. Set both front and side overlaps to a strong 80% for optimal model quality. Leave margin setting at 0 to stay within your defined boundaries. Finally, under Photo Mode, select Distance Interval Shot for consistent image overlap. Hit Save. Your mission is now ready. Okay, you've successfully planned your flight route and configured all the essential mission settings for your survey. With the mission defined and parameters locked in, the final steps before putting your M3E or M4E in the air involve dialing in your camera settings and running through crucial pre-flight checks. In this final section, we'll guide you through adjusting your camera for optimal photogrammetry capture, reviewing essential safety settings, and finally, invoking your mission. Go to the camera view and tap the settings icon, the 3 slider bars on the top of the right margin. Enable shutter priority by tapping the camera icon until it says S. Then, set shutter speed to 1/1000 as a baseline for sunny conditions. Set your image ratio to 4:3 and format to JPEG. In the advanced settings, found in the three dots menu, enable lock gimbal while shooting and mechanical shutter. Also, ensure shutter priority, S, and single photo mode are selected. De-warping will be enabled for M3E, but disabled for M4E. Now it's time to fly. With everything set, select your saved mission and tap the Start button. Review the pre-flight checks carefully, especially your return to home and max altitude settings. Tap Next. On the next screen, turn de-warping on for M3E and off for M4E. And double check that the camera mode is still set to shutter S. Finally, tap Upload Flight Mission and your drone is ready to fly. Remember, if you swap batteries, you'll need to run the pre-flight checks again and check de-warping. That's it! You've successfully planned and launched a mission with DJI Pilot 2. And that concludes our video series on planning a mission with your M3E or M4E drone using DJI Pilot 2. We've guided you through the entire workflow, from the initial setup and defining your flight area, to configuring all the essential mission parameters, and finally, setting up your camera and launching your automated survey flight. You now have the knowledge to successfully plan and execute missions right from your remote controller. For more detailed information on recommended settings and specific scenarios, be sure to visit our knowledge base at help.propelleraero.com. And don't forget to explore the other training videos available on Propeller U to further enhance your skills in drone surveying and data processing.